traders, welcome to another video from RLTR group. Today we are going to talk about how market is going to behave on 2nd March 2020 after a very volatile day. As we are celebrating Women's Week with RLTR, for Women's Day, any female subscriber who joins us between 1st March till 9th March will get a 25% discount on our subscription. Today, at live trading, we made small profits but saved our capital for next day, as we are expecting a very directional market soon. If you want to make similar profits or you lost money today, please visit www.rltrgroup.com, select your plan and live trade with us. We are now a 100+ members team who are consistently making money in options buying. You can also join our free Telegram group for our daily real-time market views. Now, today, the market was range bound and volatile. A lot of them have anticipated a downside, got caught in the wrong directions, then became bulls, and were caught again due to volatility in the index today. Let's look at some key levels for tomorrow. Until Banknifty crosses this trend line, we will not buy a call. Our position will be activated only above today's high for a quick target till 35,894 on the upside. If we stay there and consolidate and break, we can even see 36,236 and 36,500 plus. Until Bank Nifty is not below 35,000, do not be bearish. If we gap up tomorrow and move towards the downside, we will be on put side. Until then, please reduce your quantity and keep up a strict SL and book small profits as per your setup. Please ensure you manage your risk and follow strict money management rules for yourself. You can also reach us on the WhatsApp number. The number is listed below for any queries on live trading. With this, I thank you for your time today. We'll see you tomorrow with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.